Family vocabulary. Mother, the woman who gave birth to you. Father, the man who gave birth to you. Brother, a boy who has the same parents as you. Sister, a girl who has the same parents as you. Siblings, your brothers and sisters. Grandmother, your mother's mother or your father's mother. Grandfather, your mother's father or your father's father. Aunt, your mother's sister or your father's sister. Uncle, your mother's brother or your father's brother. Cousin, the child of your aunt or uncle. Nephew, the son of your brother or sister. Niece, the daughter of your brother or sister. Great-grandmother, the mother of your grandmother or grandfather. Great-grandfather, the father of your grandmother or grandfather. In-laws, the relatives you gain through marriage, e.g., mother-in-law, father-in-law, brother-in-law, sister-in-law. Step-parent, the new spouse of your parent who is not your biological parent. Step-sibling, the child of your step-parent from a previous relationship. Half-sibling, a brother or sister with whom you share only one biological parent. Stepchild, the child of your spouse from a previous relationship. Godparent, a person who sponsors a child's baptism. Godchild, the child for whom you are a godparent. Godparent, ancestor, a person from whom you are descended. Descendant, a person descended from a particular ancestor. Forefather, an ancestor, especially one who is male. Lineage, direct descent from an ancestor. Progeny, descendants or offspring. Kin, relatives or family members. Next of kin, the closest living relative. Extended family, family beyond the nuclear family, e.g., cousins, aunts, uncles. Nuclear family, a family unit consisting of parents and their children. Maternal, related to the mother's side of the family. Paternal, related to the father's side of the family. Blood relative, someone related by birth rather than marriage. Immediate family, your closest family members, e.g., parents, siblings. Family tree, a diagram showing the relationships between family members. Heir, a person legally entitled to the property or rank of another on that person's death. Beneficiary, a person who receives benefits or advantages, such as from a will. Patriarch, the male head of a family or tribe. Patriarch, the male head of a family or tribe. Matriarch, the female head of a family or tribe. Household, all the people living in a house. Spouse, a husband or wife. Partner, a person with whom one shares a relationship, often used for unmarried relationships. Fiancé, a man engaged to be married. Fiancé, a woman engaged to be married. Bride, a woman on her wedding day or just before and after the event. Groom, a man on his wedding day or just before and after the event. Widow, a woman whose spouse has died. Widower, a man whose spouse has died. Orphan, a child whose parents are deceased. Foster parent, a person who cares for a child without being the child's biological parent. Foster child, a child who is cared for by a foster parent. Adoptive parent, a person who has legally adopted a child. Adopted child, a child who has been legally adopted. Surrogate mother, a woman who bears a child on behalf of another person. Guardian, a person who is legally responsible for someone else's child. Ward, a person under the protection of a guardian. In-laws, family members by marriage, e.g. mother-in-law, father-in-law. Half-brother, a brother with whom you share one biological parent. Half-sister, a sister with whom you share one biological parent. Stepbrother, the son of your stepparent. Stepbrother, the son of your stepparent. Stepsister, the daughter of your stepparent. Brother-in-law, the brother of your spouse or the husband of your sibling. Sister-in-law, the sister of your spouse or the wife of your sibling. Son-in-law, the husband of your daughter. Daughter-in-law, the wife of your son. Great-aunt, the sister of your grandparent. Great-uncle, the brother of your grandparent. Second cousin, the child of your parent's first cousin. Biological parent, a parent who is genetically related to a child. Surrogate parent, a person who acts as a parent without being a biological or legal parent. Birth parent, the biological parent of an adopted child. Twin, one of two children born at the same birth. A twin, one of two children born at the same birth. Identical twin, twins who develop from a single fertilized egg and have identical genes. Fraternal twin, twins who develop from two different eggs and do not have identical genes. Triplet, one of three children born at the same birth. Quadruplet, one of four children born at the same birth. Quintuplet, one of five children born at the same birth. Generation, all of the people born and living at about the same time. Heritage, the traditions, achievements and beliefs that are part of the history of a group or nation. Legacy, something transmitted by or received from an ancestor or predecessor. Lineage, direct descent from a particular ancestor. Pedigree, the recorded ancestry or lineage of a person or family. Clan, a group of families with a common ancestor. Tribe, a social group composed of numerous families, clans or generations. Kindred, one's family and relations. Folk, people in general or a community. Relative, a person connected by blood or marriage. Relation, a member of one's family. House, a family including ancestors and descendants. Descendants. Kinship, the relationship between members of the same family. Offspring, a person's child or children. Progenitor, a direct ancestor or originator of a family line. Scion, a descendant of a notable family. sibling rivalry, competition between siblings. Household head, the person who is the primary decision maker for the household. Dependent, a person who relies on another for support. Guardian ad litem, a person appointed to represent the best interests of a child in legal proceedings. Parental rights, the legal rights and responsibilities of parents. Custody, the legal right to take care of a child. Visitation rights, the right of a non-custodial parent to visit their child. Blended family, a family consisting of a couple and their children from this and all previous relationships. Family bond, the emotional connection between family members. Household member, any person living in the same home.